Hi guys, let's join me. Let us make that delicious vegetable sauce. Alright, after making this sauce, trust me, you will like it. You have seen the ingredients I'm using. I have vegetable, I have fresh tomatoes sliced already, I have my fish, I have my fresh pepper, I have my crayfish, this is my onions. Now let's get down to the business. If you watch, I am using palm oil. Alright, now I will add a little vegetable oil to give it another spice, another flavor, anyhow you understand it. Now you have seen I add the vegetable oil. Now combination of vegetable oil and palm oil. Then you go in with your onions. Can fry your onions in low heat in less than 2 minutes. Alright, don't bleach the oil and don't allow the onions to over fry. You have seen the condition of our onions. Now you go in with your fresh, well sliced tomatoes. Now you can increase the heat. Do well to stir very well to make sure the fresh tomatoes spread on top of the onion. Then you cover and cook for 5 minutes. Check and see the condition and stir again to make sure that the tomatoes is not getting burnt under. You cover again. Well, after watching this video, if you find the video helpful, help me, give me thumb like and drop your question on comment section. I'll be glad to receive your question. If you are not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. We check again after 5 minutes again. Now our tomatoes is getting sharp. We turn again. We want the tomatoes to release its own juice before any other process. That is why we are cooking like this. Let me know what you think. If you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Now the tomatoes has released its own juice. We go in with our fresh pepper. Go in with our fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Alright. You can also use any beef of your choice. Cow meat, goat meat can go. You can also use fresh fish. After boiling your fresh fish, remove the bones. After we put the fish, we cook for 5 minutes again. Then we go in with our seasoning cubes. We go in with our salt. Then we stir. You can do well to check the description. You will see other videos that you will find helpful. We go in with our crayfish. As you can see, the fresh tomatoes have released its own juice. Looking at it, you will see how it's looking now. Then, after it's stir for you cook for some minutes, 2 minutes, you go in with your vegetable. This is ugu leaf. You can do well also to add scent leaf to add another spice or another flavor rather. When you put your ugu leaf, you do well to cover for less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. You open it and make sure that you mix everything, gently mix everything well. Yes. Do well to check the description. You will see other videos you will find helpful. If you have watched this video to this extent, what is holding you to subscribe? Do well to subscribe to be getting information anytime we post our video. Trust me, this channel will help you to learn how to cook any kind of African food. Thank you for watching.